There's that ratchet I showed you before that I thought was broken. I took it apart, cleaned it up. It seems to work okay. But what's kind of neat about this a Canadian wrench. It's made by Craftsman. Part number 589511-4. And you're probably wondering why it's got this funky part on it. Well, it's so you could adjust it to different angles. Be able to get into different spots. Also, you can use it like this. If you're trying to tighten something up with it needs to be tightened quite a bit, then you can just snap it into place and ratchet it. Yeah, very nice. It was made probably early mid-90s. Not available anymore. I don't know if it's because they break very easy or get gummed up. I know the ratcheting mechanism when I got it was very gummed up. Didn't work very well at all. But now it seems to be okay. Yeah, very nice ratchet. Definitely a good deal. Got it for free. Guy didn't want it because it didn't work. Never bothered to try to clean it up, I guess. But in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Dan out.